How to send a friend request on Facebook. Let's get started. So this is the very simplest and easiest method to send a friend request for someone. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open your Facebook to send the friend request on Facebook. So simply you have to log in with your account on Facebook. So after this, you will have to search the specific person whom you want to send friend request. So simply you have to search it from the search button. So it will appear on the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on this search option, and from here you'll have to search for the specific person whom we want to send request. So I will search this random name. Okay, so it will be Ronaldo. Okay, so there are so many lots of fake account for the Ronaldo. So for the demo I am using this. Okay, so to send a friend request on the profile, you will have to go with the options add friend. So simply you have to tap on this option add friend. Okay, so as you can see, I have sent a friend request to Cristiano Ronaldo on the Facebook. So likewise, you can also send a friend request on Facebook to anyone. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if any queries are arises, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.